We're here with another young reggae boy sensation, Dexter Lembikisa. First of all, speak to us about today's performance.
I think first half we started a bit slow, we weren't playing as best as we could, but still in that, we stayed defending. We made sure we didn't concede because it was important not to lose the game. A draw would make us top of the group, and it did. So first half we were a bit slower. Second half we got into it a bit, breaking the lines more. But yeah, I thought it was good that we ended it with a draw.
You weren't involved against Nicaragua. Speak to us about how you felt being on the sidelines in that game.
Of course, you want to play, you're a footballer, innit? So you want to get game time. But when the manager makes a decision, you got to just be ready for if you're needed and do all you can to support the team. But it was good that we could get the win on that game as well, so it was okay. But obviously frustrated. Not to play.
Got the start today against Honduras, a bigger and better team. How do you feel when your number was called in the starting lineup today?
Always happy, man. Always happy to play, Every time you play here is special, to play for your country in front of your people, so it's always a blessing.
Evaluate your individual performance.
I think I did okay. Defending, I was okay. I think I wanted to get forward a bit more, get involved in the attack a bit more and contribute, but today I think my crossing could have been better. But overall it was okay,
We're through to the next stage of the Nations League. Last year in November it was Canada. It may well be Canada again. How are you feeling going into those fixtures?
I'm excited, Always playing against good opponents. It always makes you more excited to go and play and compete and show what you can do and create history and do big things like we did last time against Canada. So excited, looking forward to it.
All right. And what do you think you can take from this camp to go into the next window?
Just being consistent with our performances, taking that first winning from Nicaragua, and then trying to do that with the second game. Trying to be ruthless with it. Yeah.
Lastly, new club. How have you been adjusting?
It's been a rocky start. It's been a strange start, interesting start, but it's still a long season, and my faith in God has pulled me through. Jesus has been helping me with it, so I have hope for the season. Just need to get playing there and continuing working hard and playing, But yeah, excited for that season as well.
All right, once again, good game again, Dexter.
Thank you, appreciate it.